كيفية طلب الطعام في المطعم باللغة الإنجليزية.
Learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. Perfect for beginners and travelers. Follow this step-by-step dialogue and practice speaking confidently.
المشهد الأول: دخول المطعم.
Scene 1, entering the restaurant. Hi, table for two, please. Sure, right this way.
المشهد الثاني: النظر إلى القائمة.
Scene 2, looking at the menu. Waiter, here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink? You, yes, I'd like a glass of water, orange juice, coffee, please.
المشهد الثالث: طلب الطعام.
Scene 3, ordering food. Waiter, are you ready to order? You, yes, I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please. Can I also get a side of fries? Could you make it without onions, please?
المشهد الرابع: طرح الأسئلة.
Scene 4, asking questions. What do you recommend? What's today's special? Does this dish contain nuts, gluten, dairy?
المشهد الخامس: أثناء الوجبة.
Scene 5, during the meal. Excuse me, could we have some extra napkins, please? Can I get some ketchup, please? Can I have more water or another drink?